Hey guys, it's your boy Franchise, and we're going to jump into the Ultimate Team. We're going to jump straight into the Ultimate Team. From what I understand, I should actually have packs, because I pre-ordered it. One Playmaker pack and 36
Collect your favorite NFL players.
Pro packs.
Select your uniform to start the customization
Cardinals.
of your Ultimate Team.
What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's try this again.
Now that you have a uniform, select your
that was weird.
style.
Okay.
Once selected, you will receive players that will support the selected style. As you open packs and collect new players, you can change your style to better reflect your lineup.
I should short pass, long pass, ground and pound, speed run, zone defense, man. Oh, so those are defenses. So we gotta pick an offense first. I like the short pass, but I also like the long pass. Because, I mean, if your player is good enough to do the long pass, then, especially if you have a quarterback good enough to do the long pass, then you're going to be good enough to do short ones too. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. But I like to catch in traffic, though. Alright, we're gonna go short pass.
You have opened your team style pack. These players increase your selected
Okay,
style,
I like Chip Kelly offense.
With the short pass style, your offensive line will form a pocket to open
Jameis
up gaps
Winston.
for short passes, while your receivers will be more likely to
J.J.
catch
Nelson,
the ball,
he's
even
actually
with
looking really
defenders
good
in
right now.
pursuit.
Clark Harris. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We've got 37 items.
Every time
so
you enter Ultimate Team, you will be dropped off on the line. Objectives will give you the tools to...
Okay. I don't want to do any of this. Can I skip all of this, please? Alright, this is gonna be a pack opening. First of all. This is gonna be a pack opening. We're gonna open a bunch of packs, actually. Okay. Hoping for some good players. Know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh, whoa. What's this? I don't know what that is. Steelers offense. Giants away jersey. Okay. We should have more packs than this, for the record. Dolphin Stadium. We got Big Ben, baby. We got Big Ben. Let's go. I like that, man. Toby Gerhart. Packers offense. Dan Quinn. Doug Baldwin. Dude, let's go, man. That is freaking awesome. Alright, so we're going to keep opening packs. We're just going to keep opening them. It doesn't even say the head coach of New England. Man. Bucks away jersey. Marcus Golden. It's a Cardinal, so I like him. Andre Brown. Okay. Patriots offense. Hunter. Oh, we can just go straight into the next pack. I like that. Come on, give us some good guys. It was Patrick Peterson. Okay. Ron Rivera. Colts home. Okay. Oh, what's this? Okay. Seems decent enough. We've already got Dan Quinn. Ravens away jersey. Lions offense. this? I don't know what just happened. It's already been removed from your collection. Okay. Alright, so we got Bo Jackson, I guess. Alright, so we should have... Let me back out of here. Because we should have... Unopened packs. It says we have 2. Okay. So let's open these. Let's open these and see what we get, and then we'll be done. Hoping for some good players, know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Tyrod Taylor. I actually don't mind him very much. Alright, here we go. This is the Playmaker pack. Bruce Arians, let's go. Love it. We got Gronk! Let's go, baby! We got Gronk. I love it. I thought we were supposed to get more packs than that. Just saying. I thought we were supposed to get more packs than that. But I guess we didn't. But we might buy some more packs. I don't know. We might do another pack opening. Try and get this team real good. Alright. Leave a like if you did enjoy. And we're going to get this team set up in the next one. And we're going to start rolling with it. Might open some more packs. Who knows? But until next time, it's your boy Franchise. Peace!